Hi, my name's Darren. I'm from Dalby, and this is my Victoria Southern Cross. It's actually engine number 8, which is a copy of an English engine, but it's the first engine that Southern Cross actually made in Australia. This one's spent its working life in the Opal fields in central Queensland before it was rescued. The engine wasn't restored by me, but it was actually restored by Tom, and I'll apply the engine from him. And this is probably the third time that I've had it at a rally. It hasn't given me too many problems. I did have issues with a problem in the carburetor. It was running very, very rich, so I actually hesitated in pulling it apart. I resoldered the jet and actually rebuilt to a smaller jet size. And it's been running fine ever since. Other than that, it's given very, very little trouble. Then start first go every time we wanted to go. So with the restoration of it, the engine was in a very poor state. Had to have a lot of parts made for it. The carburetor bowl for that was remanufactured. There was a pretty significant score in the barrel inside here, but the cost to re-sleeve it was fairly prohibitive at the time. So it's actually got a DevCon repair and then honed, and the engine's run probably 60, 70 hours now since that has been done, and so far so good. Now, other than that, the engine's pretty much as it was found, complete, but just in a very, very poor state of repair.
The Old Machinery magazine. Remember to subscribe and tap the bell to be notified of any new videos.